Another question that people like to ask is, if you study biochem, are you going to spend all your days at a lab? And this depends on your career trajectory. In order to understand what job prospects there are, you got to understand the study of biochemistry in a working sense, in the working world, how it plays into it. Biochemistry is a science that really plays more in terms of the research and the drug development perspective. When it comes to identification of leads and potential targets to develop new drugs, understanding protein misfolding and how they contribute to certain diseases such as Alzheimer's with the amyloid proteins. Studies of each of these pathways are crucial in identifying a point where a certain medication or a drug can be introduced to interrupt that process or facilitate certain processes that have been stopped. In the big picture sense, biochemistry is extremely important as it basically moves the whole industry with new leads, new research to identify new pathways that we can clinically intervene with. Healthcare industry, there's the pharmaceutical industry, which basically supplies the drugs. And within the pharmaceutical line, I tend to break it down into research and non-research based jobs. And within the research job, yes, labs and being a research scientist is very common. However, there's a whole bunch of other jobs which I will explain in my new video. So I hope that this gave you some clarity on biochemistry, its uses in a big picture sort of way, because I never really understood how it could be applied in a real life setting. I'll pull up the modules that I learned over here for easier reference, so you get a better understanding of the scope of study.